Dear students, in this session, we are going to discuss the questions and short answers based on the prose piece, a lesson my father taught me, written by APJ Abdul Kalam. Now here, in this particular session, we are going to discuss only the short questions and answers. In the previous sessions, we had already discussed the introduction to the author, the explanation of the prose piece, which was divided into two parts, and now based on that explanation, we are going to discuss the questions and answers which have to be written in one word or a phrase or a sentence. The first question is, what is the name of Abdul Kalam's father? The answer is Janab Awul Pakir Jainul Abdin. I have given the answer in a phrase. You can give it in complete sentence also. That is, the name of Abdul Kalam's father is Janab Awul Pakir Jainul Abdin. Now the second question, on what basis was Abdul Kalam's father elected as the president of the Panchayat board? On the basis of his noble mind and for being a good human being. Again, you can make it in a complete sentence, but I have given in a phrase. Both are accepted. Now the third question, where was Abdul Kalam's father when somebody arrived at his house? Now the answer is, he had gone for his evening namaz. Now again, you can make it a complete sentence saying that Abdul Kalam's father had gone on his evening namaz when somebody arrived at his house. This can also be the answer. Now the fourth question, how did Abdul Kalam learn in his younger days? The answer is, he used to learn by reading aloud. Now the fifth question, what did his father find in the cover of Tambulam? The answer is, again I have given in phrases. You can make it a complete sentence. A costly dhoti, angavastram, fruits and sweets, and also a slip. So if it has to be in a complete sentence, you can say, his father found in the cover of Tambulam a costly dhoti, angavastram, fruits and sweets, and also a slip. Now the next question, why did Abdul Kalam get a beating from his father? Again, the answer you can see here is in a phrase, for receiving the gift. If it has to be a complete sentence, Abdul Kalam got a beating from his father because of receiving the gift. Seventh question, who consoled Abdul Kalam? His mother consoled Abdul Kalam. Now, eighth one, what is the Islamic hadith quoted by Kalam's father? When the Almighty appoints a person to a position, he takes care of his provision. If a person takes anything beyond that, it is an illegal gain. Now moving on to the next question, what does Kalam's father compare gifts to? Answer is snakes. I have given the answer in a single word. You can make it a complete sentence by saying, Abdul Kalam's father compared gifts to the snakes. Now the last question, what lesson did Abdul Kalam learn from the incident? The answer is, a very valuable lesson for his life, that to receive a gift which has purpose behind is like touching a snake and taking its poison. So again, I have given the answer in a very big phrase. You can make it a complete sentence saying that the lesson Abdul Kalam learnt from the incident is a very valuable lesson for his life, that to receive a gift which has purpose behind is like touching a snake and taking its poison. I think the word liking is given here. We'll have to make it as like. Behind, purpose behind is like touching a snake and taking its poison. I hope you have understood the explanation of how to write the answers for these questions. These questions carry 1 mark each in the examination question paper. So you need to be very precise, up to the mark, up to the point, and do not describe too much while writing the answers. In the next session, we are going to discuss the language components based on this prose. Thank you very much.